Rhus Tox, the poison oak from Anacardiaceae family. Ailments from spraining or straining of single part of the body, muscle or tendon. Overlifting, particularly from stretching high up to reach things. Lying on damp ground or too much summer bathing in river or dams. Bad effects of getting wet, especially after being heated. Constitution. Rhus Tox is adapted for rheumatic diathesis. Mind. Great apprehension at night, fears that he will die of being poisoned. That's why he cannot remain in the bed. Generalities. Rhus Tox affects fibrous tissues, especially right side is more than the left side. Great restlessness, anxiety, apprehension, cannot remain in the bed, must change the position often to get relief from the pain. Rhus Tox is very restless. Rhus Tox patient cannot stay in one position for long time. Sensitiveness to the open air. Putting the hands under bed cover brings on cough in Rhus Tox. Dreams of great exertion, rowing, swimming, working hard at his occupation. Great thirst with dry mouth, tongue and even throat. Head, vertigo when standing or walking. Worse when lying down. Better when lying down is apis mellifica. Vertigo gets aggravated by rising up from the lying position or by stooping. Headache. Brain feels loose while stepping or shaking the head. Sensation of swashing in the brain. Headache is stupefying and as if torn. Headache from beer, from least chagrin, aggravated by sitting or lying or in the cold weather. And a Rhus Tox headache is better by warmth and motion. Mouth and tongue. Corners of the mouth are ulcerated. There are fever blisters around the mouth and at the chin. Tongue is dry, sore and cracked and red. Triangular red tip. This is characteristic of Rhus Tox. It takes imprints of the teeth on the tongue. Respiratory system. Dry and teasing cough before and during chill. Rhus Tox is used in intermittent fevers. Cough with taste of blood in the mouth. Stomach and abdomen. Diarrhea with beginning of typhoid. Involuntary with great exhaustion. Tearing pain down the posterior part of the legs during stool. The central nervous system of Rhus Tox. Paralysis with numbness of affected part from getting wet on lying the damp grounds, after exertion, after parturition, after sexual excess or after typhoid. Paresis of the limbs and ptosis of the eyelid is Rhus Tox. Back and extremities, the very important of Rhus Tox. Pains as if sprained, as if a tendon or muscle was torn from its attachment, as if bones were scraped by the knife. Worse after midnight and in wet weather. Worse in wet rainy weather. Affected parts are sore to touch. Lameness, stiffness and pain on first moving after rest or on getting up in the morning. The pains are better by walking or continued motion. Back pain between shoulders on swallowing, pain and stiffness in the small of the back, that is low backache, which is aggravated by sitting or lying. Better by walking or lying on something hard. Rhus Tox is a great remedy of rheumatism and sciatica of left side, aching pain in the arms with heart disease. That means this is a great drug for RHD, rheumatic heart disease. Sexual system. External genitals are inflamed, erysipelatous and edematous. Fever. Rhus Tox is a great remedy for typhoid fever. Skin. Erysipelas going from left to right. Vesicular, yellowish vesicles. Much swelling, inflammation and burning. Itching and stinging. Aggravation before storm. Cold, wet, rainy weather. Dampness in the weather. At night, especially midnight, from getting wet while perspiring during rest. Amelioration, warm, dry weather. Wrapping up by having warm or hot things. Motion, change of position, moving the affected part. The great characteristic of Rhus Tox is that, with few exceptions, the pains occur and are aggravated during repose and are better by motion. Rhus Tox is a complementary remedy for Bryonia alba. Please keep watching Homeopathy in 2 minutes for students.